Semiconductors are the foundation of all defense and aerospace equipment. That's why choosing the right semiconductor is a critical design consideration. But not all semiconductors are created equal. Some are just not suited for defense and aerospace applications. I'm Joe Aragona with the Business Report. Intel's new core architecture processors have the right stuff for Curtiss Wright, so much so that the two companies are now cooperating to deliver embedded IPD systems.
Our customers now have a corporate giant that gives us lifecycle management. They're introducing new processors. The Core Duo line enables us to put more performance per watt, allows our customers to have upgrade paths, roadmaps of future processors, so future product lines, and an overall relationship where after the sale, Curtiss Wright is with you there as a partner to go into your applications.
Intel has been participating in the defense marketplace for some time, and Curtiss Wright is clearly a leader in providing products and solutions to the defense marketplace. And this partnership has an opportunity to not only address the needs of the defense market, but it also brings the ability to address the needs where there is energy efficient performance is a requirement, where COTS-based products are gaining traction. And one of the key things about this market is the fact that Intel has already demonstrated through its leadership in the technology marketplace, it's the performance and the innovation that it has showcased in the commercial industry.
Given the importance both companies are placing on this cooperation, I was curious about why the core architecture's processors are ideal for Curtiss Wright's new product line.
Intel has done consistently over its past 30-odd years of existence is deliver products that were compatible with the previous generations. So the instruction set and the software compatibility has been preserved over many, many years. And the core architecture continues to build upon that legacy infrastructure. The two things that it does deliver is a range of products that not only support legacy applications, but also offer performance at different power thresholds. The second thing it does is it brings out new innovations, such as 64-bit computing, such as single instruction, multiple data execution, such as increased commonality between the lowest performance processor and the highest performance processor. And this is a particular appeal to the software developers. They get to leverage a common microarchitecture, and all the optimizations that applies to the high-end product line can be translated to the low-end product line as well. Core Duo brings about a shift in paradigm. In the past, performance was all about turning up the clock speed. With Core Duo, you scale performance by adding additional cores. With regards to how it performs against competition, we think it does very well. There are a number of benchmarks that are out on the web and out in public that demonstrate that. The fact that we have a major computer OEM who has shifted from a different architecture to the Core Duo product line because of what they saw on not only in performance, but also the stable roadmap to the future. They felt that there was enough evidence in there for them to make the transition.
The main flexibility that the Core Duo offers to Curtiss Wright is multiple cores, multiple processing cores in a single package. It allows us to make smaller form factor cards with more performance per watt. Customers that have had to have larger form factors to get the same performance, well, now with Core Duo lines, you can, with multiple cores in a single package, lower voltage offerings, we now can offer much more power per slot in our product offering. Some of the features of Intel processors is that they're using the Intel x86 core. Their new processor products are also backward compatible to their old processors. So those customers that do have installed Pentium base, Pentium M, Pentium 4, those products now have a higher performance roadmap where their software is fully transportable to the new product designs. In addition, one of the distinguishing features of the Core Duo line of processors is its offering in a BGA package. As compared to PGA, BGA packages are well suited to rugged conduction-cooled form factors.
Jason went on to explain that the new EOS product from Curtiss Wright is a prime example of the kind of product that can be delivered with the Core Duo.
The new EOS product is a 3U compact PCI board for the embedded marketplace. It features the Intel Core Duo processor, an advanced chipset, It brings to the marketplace features such as PCI Express, DDR2 memory. It also, in a conduction-cooled form factor, provides a PMC site. This is one of the firsts for this type of board in this marketplace.
And we have a Core Duo-based product that starts from 5 watts all the way up to 80 or 90 watts. And the second thing they also address is they address increased performance through a variation in bus speeds. So on the lower performance, lower watt power products have lower bus speeds, but at the same time, that same architecture is used for higher performance, higher bus speed, and thus higher power products.
Jason added that all these technical features translate into systems that deliver more features, more power, and more value to more markets.
Some great market penetration. We'll be looking at legacy Solaris customers, those customers that are running older versions of Solaris, those customers that are running older versions of Windows or want to upgrade to newer versions of Windows. The Core Duo processor with the Intel x86 core is fully software hardware compatible with those features, as well as new customers that want to run Linux, VxWorks, and have a higher performance per watt in a single slot solution.
I was curious about what kind of market support exists for these new core architecture-based products.
First of all, core architecture products are supported by the embedded group within Intel. And one of the value propositions of that for the military aerospace marketplace is that they are supported for long life. And long life is one of the key requirements of this market. The second is we have a rich ecosystem for all the Intel architecture-based products. And in the past, it used to be an ecosystem of hardware vendors. But now, over many years, we've developed a rich ecosystem for software developers, application providers, and systems integrators. So we, in addition to the ecosystem that Intel has enabled, Intel has also made significant investments in the software toolchain that's required to help developers get their product to market quicker.
The new EOS product from Curtiss Wright is the first of what Jason and Babu say will be many core architecture-based products.
Our customers can expect a well-established, well-evolved product line based on the new Intel processors. We're going to be offering products that are VPX ready, as well as you can see, the compact PCI conduction cooled. We also have offerings in 6U VME air cooled as well as conduction cooled.
Jason and Babu both expect that this new cooperative relationship will continue to deliver the right kind of integrated systems for customers. With two industry giants like Curtiss Wright and Intel working together, they will certainly influence the technology direction for military platforms. For the Business Report, I'm Joe Aragona.